Okay. Good afternoon, all of you. May I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
So, only 78 students are there. What about remaining students? Here, both the division.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 79 students are there. What about remaining?
हॅलो मॅम ते ग्रुपवर मेसेज टाकलेला आहे प्रश्न.
टाकलाय ना? नाहीतर मी आता ऍक्च्युली प्रेझेंटीचा स्क्रीनशॉट घेणार त्याच्यानंतर मी कुणालाही कन्सिडर करणार नाही ऍज अ प्रेझेंट. पटकन सांगा 1-2 मिनिट. हा ठीक आहे. Okay. My screen is visible to all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So everyone understand the concept data type. If anyone having any doubt regarding this data type concept, please ask. Or if you don't want to ask here, you have to put personally message me on WhatsApp your doubt. Or otherwise, I request all of you to you have to means you have to start discussion with each other in your official group regarding a point. Like you have to suppose take the point that is dictionary. You have everyone. I request everyone to put your view regarding the dictionary. In that, some new point you all may understand like that. So if you have to start discussion with each other and you have to put your views, so your knowledge will be increases. Okay. So I think so. No one having any doubt regarding this concept, Python data type. Okay. So now we will. Is anyone having doubt?
Ma'am, please explain Boolean means again.
Acha, Boolean. Okay, I will explain Boolean. Okay, Boolean. Okay, Boolean means what? Boolean is a built-in variable. It's having true value. You know that Boolean means what? What is the return type of Boolean? It is a true or false value, or zero or one. Okay, so the return type, the Boolean is having two possibilities. One is true and another one is what? False. There are two possibilities in Boolean. Okay, so we will see the example for Boolean, then you will be understand better. Okay. So my programming screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just 1 minute. I will increase the size. Just a 1 minute. Okay, my programming window is visible to you all.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we will see the Boolean data type. So for Boolean, we are having only two values. One is true and other is false. So here I write suppose A is equal to true. Okay. Then I will write like a
Type of
yes, type of A. Type of A. Okay. So it is a Boolean. Okay. So what it returns? It returns the type of A will be Boolean. Suppose here write I A is equal to suppose I write 10. And what I write? I write type of A. So what it return? It return integer. So Boolean is what? Boolean is having only two possibilities. One is true, another is false. Means what? It is a one or it is the answer should be a zero. It having only two possibilities. Boolean having two possibilities. It is true or false. The Boolean we are using Boolean in like on off like that of operations are there like we have to suppose do the programming in Python for suppose for for the button on off. So in that case we are using the Boolean data type like one Boolean true value is for on and false value for the off. So it is a Boolean. Okay, समझला Boolean data type.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So is anyone having any point that I will repeat or can I okay now I will share this image to everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
टपल एकदा रिपीट करा.
Tuple. Okay, I will repeat the tuple. So tuple is same like a list. Okay, tuple is same like a list. So in tuple it is a ordered collection. Means what? Tuple is a ordered collection. So the difference between tuple and list will be that in list we are adding element, we are removing element, like that all operation we are performing in the list. But we can't do changes in the tuple, like adding element, removing element, like that. We can't do the we if we declare once this line will be a tuple, we can't make changes in that tuple. Okay, in that means tuple, it is known as tuple. We can represent tuple by using circular bracket. So tuple having indexing, slicing, repetition, counting, this type of all operation, concatenation. So we will see the example, then you will be understand. So here I first I declare the first of all one tuple, that is suppose I take here football. Okay, it is my name of my tuple. Here I write the values in that is okay. Hazard, comma, suppose Terry, then okay. So I will add three element in my tuple. The representation of tuple is like this. Okay. So now what I should do? I should perform the indexing operation on that. So for indexing operation, I write here print of suppose put the ball here. Okay. First of all, what I will print the my tuple, and after that I write here print of put the ball of suppose I want to write here one. Okay, I will write the index address here, and after that one more way I will perform the indexing operation. This way is another, that is football dot index of. Suppose here I write Lampert. Okay, so after execution of program, okay, so you have to see here the output. So output will be like this. You have to see here. This is my original tuple. Okay, this is my original tuple. Okay, so this will be print here. After that, what I print? I print the first location. So in first location, what should be there? Terry will be there at first location. The hazard will be at zeroth location. Terry will be at first location, and Lamper is the second location. As like a array, it will be represent the indexing address. So at the first position, Terry will be there, and you have to see there the Lamper is which indexing means what is the index address? That is a two index address. Okay, so these two ways we are using to perform the indexing operation on tuple. Okay, so it is an indexing operation. Now we will see the main another main uh, operation, that is slicing operation. So in slicing operation, the symbol of slicing operation should be like just 1 minute here. Here I write slice of start, comma, end, comma, start, set, set. Okay, like this. So this is the symbol for the slicing. So in that we are writing the starting index, we are writing ending index, and here the setup will be optional part. The by default value of is setup will be a 1. Okay, so in that we are using slicing at the time of if suppose we are having the 100 tuple in our means we are having 100 element in my one tuple. So I want to find the element from suppose 20 to 40, 20 to 40. So that time the finding the element in between 10 to 4, 20 to 40, we are using this function, the operation, that is slicing. Means suppose here I pass suppose 0 to suppose 2 location. So what will be the possible output for this line?
Hazard and Terry.
Hazard and Terry. Okay, correct, Hazard and Terry. And suppose here I will change the 1. So what will be the output?
Only Hazard.
Only Hazard. And suppose here I print 0. My same all locations will be same indexing address. So what should be the empty bracket? Why? Because my start will be 0, my end will be 0. So that's why it will be print the only bracket. Then next one more operation is there, that is concatenation. So concatenation, here I will write one more tuple. Here cricket is equal to okay. I will write one more tuple here. Okay. After that, how we have to perform the concatenation? So I here write take a football is equal to football plus 3 cricket. Okay, and I will print the football. Okay. Okay. So what will be the output? Output will be like this: concatenation of first tuple with first tuple and second tuple. It will be the my
मॅम आपण एकदा टपल लिहिल्यावर त्यामध्ये चेंजेस करू शकत नाही ना.
नाही आपण करू शकत नाही, but we are in list, the concept list, in that we are make the changes, like we are adding element by using append operation or insert operation. हे ऑपरेशन आपण यूज करतो लिस्ट मध्ये, पण टपल मध्ये आपण हे ऑपरेशन नाही यूज करू शकतो ऍड करायला एलिमेंट. फक्त आपण ते लिस्ट डिक्शनरी मध्ये ऍड करू शकतो ते ऑपरेशन, पण टपल मध्ये आपण ते करू शकत नाही. ओके. So हे झालं concatenation operation. Remaining operation like repetition operation we will see in the list. Same operation will be there. Just the change will be changes, or just the bracket will be changes. So understand all of you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will move to the difference between set, list, tuple. Okay. Set, list, set, dictionary, and tuple. We will see the difference. So one more link I will share on the WhatsApp group. Everyone know that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So can I will ask randomly. So I will ask those who have to please tell me the difference. Okay. So just 1 minute. A division, roll number 11. Please tell me one difference between all among these. Okay. B division, roll number 33. Please tell. You have to, roll number 33, you have to unmute yourself and you have to speak. Please. B division, roll number 33. Shubham,
Hello, yes, ma'am.
please tell your differences.
Ma'am, in turtle, we can't do change in our list. Means in every element we can't change anything.
Okay. Next, अजून तुम्ही मराठीत सांगा. जर तुम्हाला तसं जमत असेल तुम्ही मराठीत प्रॉपरली सांगा. नो प्रॉब्लेम. कोण आहे का जे सांगू शकते सगळे डिफरन्सेस व्यवस्थित काय आहेत, जे एक दोन डिफरन्सेस कॉमन आहेत सगळीकडे? कोण सांगू शकते? Okay. Okay. Just 1 minute. I will share my screen. Okay. So You have to see in my current screen.
Yes, ma'am.
How to see the basic differences. So basically, list is what? It is a list, tuple, set, and dictionary. These four are same like the working of this all same like array. All of you satisfied with this? This four operation is same like a array. All of you satisfied with this point? Okay, all of you satisfied with this point? List, tuple, set, and dictionary is the operations or the working is same like a array. Okay, but
Yes, ma'am.
the representation of this all will be somewhat different. Like you have to see here, we have to represent. Just one minute.
List.
We have to represent this list by using a square bracket. We are representing list by using square bracket, tuple by using circular bracket. Then we are represent the set operation by using curly bracket. Okay. Then dictionary also same. The function that is set and dictionary both are the almost the same point. Though the set is having some of the little bit drawback, that all drawback will be covered in the dictionary. So most of the time, people are not referring the set data type. They are referring the dictionary data type. Okay. So this will be the the second main difference is what? Like a representation of that data type. Okay. Then duplicate elements means what? The list allow various duplicate elements means what? In list we will duplicate the element more than once. Okay, it will be not affected on the your list. You have to make the duplication of many of the elements. Same in the tuple also, but in set operation and in the dictionary operation, it can't allow to duplicate the element. Means what? Example, suppose we are taking like a 1, 2, 3, 4, and same we are we are taking 2 in the list. Like suppose here I will show you this. So here I will here tell you here. Suppose here I will declare the uh, 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 here I will declare the tuple. Okay, here just 1 minute. So you have to see this.
Ma'am, BALL.
This is so you have to see here the we are representing the what? Tuple. So tuple will not allow to tuple will be allowed to the repetition of same value like hazard. But suppose here what I should do, I will
Curly bracket.
here I will add the suppose a curly bracket. Okay. So you have to see the difference in output. It will not retake the hazard. Why? Because it will be not allowed to repeat the duplication value. So everyone understand this difference? Third difference,
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
duplication of value. Okay. Next, nested among means what? We are seeing the dictionary nested concept. The next this concept will be not everyone uses actually, because it will uses, but at the if suppose you have a tuple or data or set or dictionary with more than 100 व्हॅल्यूज लाईक म्हणजे 100 पेक्षा जास्त व्हॅल्यू असेल तरच आपण नेस्टेड कन्सेप्ट यूज करतो. अदरवाईज आपण नेस्टेड कन्सेप्ट यूज करत नाही. का तर आपले एलिमेंट किती एक लिमिटेड टू 10 पर्यंत असतात, त्याच्यावर आपले एलिमेंट जातात. ओके. देन नेक्स्ट हिअर एक्झाम्पल विल बी देअर. everyone know, everyone, all of you do the Goodwill programming. So example will be there, means one type of representation, how we have to declare that. Okay. Then next will be the function for creation, means which method or which function we are using, like we are using append, index, index method. So what methods or what function we are using for creating the list, the tuple, and set, like all operation. Okay. So for list we are using list of bracket for creating a list. Same for tuple, for set, and for dictionary. Dictionary, DICTU, we are using for creating a dictionary. So it will be